Coming back from vacation, guys. Took a couple of good trades today. SINT right out of the open and MIK. Very good trades today. Couple of good scalps. Then I got slapped in the face by THC and ARDX. I will show you here in the charts what really happened to me. Wasn't such a bad thing at the end with those two losers, because they were not really big losers. And SINT and MIK worked very well at the beginning of the day today. But I wanted to show you in the chart, and as a reminder, we're gonna be doing the live stream from 8 p.m. now at 7 p.m. every night, Monday through Thursday. See you later, guys. Take care. Thank you for listening. Okay, here's the trading recap for today. Just a reminder, guys, we're gonna jump into the live streams now, Q&A session, and the watch list pre-build up. It's gonna be moving from 8 o'clock to 7 o'clock p.m. Monday through Thursday, 7 p.m. All right, so SINT, I got a trade here right out of the gates. If you see here, started to pick up a lot of steam in the pre-market hours. Right here, I was trying to catch a rebound, and we had a high of 173 in this candle right here, in this 1 minute time frame candle right here. At the breakout of the 1 minute time frame, right here, the 173. I wanted to wait for at least two more pennies, 2 more cents to go up, and here we had a breakout and we went to 175. I took a step 175 for a quick scalp here, and I was selling on the high here when it broke here. It tapped a little bit of resistance on the 50, open right here at the 100. It kept on moving higher, and I saw some on the way to 183, and then we had a high right here at 185. I was all out, and I took 10 cents right there. We had a high of 186. And again, you can go back and watch the archive live video commentary when this thing was actually happening in the pre-market hours, and also right out of the open and SINT. So you could call me out if you want to on that one. Now we're gonna go just into MIK as well. MIK was a pretty interesting one, and you can see right here that $8.53 right here. This was a resistance that was sitting today at the 100 simple moving average using a daily time frame here on this this corner. You can see that 100 simple moving average right here coming down. We had a that level sitting at $8.53, and right around this candle here, when we had the pullback, right, there was I took a little trade in right there, going all the way up to the where we had the resistance right here at $8.86, that you can also see on MIK here on the daily chart. Okay, and then we had a high right here, $9.26, because this is a daily candle that was sitting right under the 50 simple moving average, and that's another trade from the morning on out of this stock at the break at the pullback right here. And I took a little scalp on this stock as well, which was inside of this 5-minute candle right here, if you notice. And we had a little bit of consolidation, and the breakout right here is inside of the 5-minute candle right here. We jump all the way to here, and if you notice, resistance on $8.86, tap a couple of times right here in all the different candles. But I took a couple of good scalps right there on SINT and MIK, but I got slapped in the face by THC. This stock, I took a trade at the breakout or the bull flag here. Problem is that it was a false breakout, and as you can see here in this red candle, this thing just rolled over, and I was sitting on the opposite side of the trade, unfortunately. As of right now, if you look at where it's at right now, you can see printing at $21.30. But I got in on a false breakout and this thing rolled over. Got onto the view app. I thought it was done. By the time it came right back up, I was really not interested in trading it anymore, so I let it go. And then I was watching a couple of the stocks, including the other stock where I took a little trade, and it wasn't such a bad trade because it was not a red trade. I made $30 on it, about $30.68 after commission, something like that, on RDX, ARDX, right? This stock I got on a false break. I actually thought it was going to move a little faster, a little bit better. And I was watching 559, and I was telling the guys that I was waiting for the breakout of $5.60 right here out of the daily chart, because that was a level where we had resistance. We had a 555 resistance on I think it was one of these candles right here, if you notice. Yes, 555 right here in this candle. So I was waiting for the breakout of here, but then I looked at the daily when we have $5.59 resistance, and I wanted to wait for a breakout of the $5.60. I jumped in, right, and we started moving up, and we had a high here of 570, but the problem is that it didn't really happen. I was waiting for that right there. If you look at, let me just put a mark here real quick. Right here we had a high. If you look at this candle, $5.55, which is where I was looking for the entry, 555, right? But again, the problem is that we had a 560, 559 resistance out of the daily. So I was waiting for a 559 breakout here. I got on the jump here. It started to move up, right? Kind of slow though. And at the push up, I noticed that it was really, really slow, and that it was not moving in a way that I wanted. And so at the push of this candle right here, I actually got out, because I took a quarter out, and then I took another quarter out. And when it started to pull back here in these candles, I took the rest out, and I just covered commissions pretty much, and I came out with $30 and some cents. So I really make a lot of money on that trade, at least kind of breaking even on that one. And a slap that I took, not too bad, but a little slap that I took on THC, and a good scalp on SINT and on MIK. But anyway, guys, I want to stop the video right here, and I want to thank you so very much for listening to me and for listening to this recap. I also wanted to let you guys know that from now on, I'm gonna be using the chat room while I'm live streaming on YouTube at night, and during the day I'm gonna be using the live stream on the chat room while I'm live streaming at traderscolony.com/chat/index, and that's gonna be a live chat room that we're gonna use, because in order for me to use all of my trading setup space, I don't want to take any space out of my laptop screen, because I need it for my trading. And now, especially now that I'm gonna start the small account challenge, I need all of my real estate on my screens to focus 100% on trading. And this laptop, what I live stream, is dedicated to trading, and then I'm gonna be using the other laptop that I have dedicated for the social media, video editing, and all that kind of stuff, to run that chat room inside of traderscolony.com. It's a free account, free website, all free information. So if you want to ask me any type of questions while I'm live streaming, please go into traderscolony.com /chat/index, and over there you can ask me any questions, and I'll answer them on a one-on-one basis. Anything you guys want to know, we're gonna go more in depth while I'm live streaming. I want to thank you for your time here, and Happy trading, guys. Thank you.